prove the new Mr. Muscle range tackles the filthiest of jobs with plenty of muscle, we gave it to someone with none. It will devour the greasiest oven. Cold. It restores to new the grimiest of tiles and grouting. In fact, however stubborn a job, it's so powerful it even cuts down on elbow grease. Mr. Muscle loves the jobs you hate.
To prove once more you don't need muscle to use Mr. Muscle, our man tested our non-smear window cleaner with added vinegar. He then tested our new foam action carpet stain remover. As you can see, Mr. Muscle makes just about anything disappear. Mr. Muscle loves the jobs you hate. Dirty floors are no problem with new Mr. Muscle Floor Cleaner. It wipes out grease and grime and fights germs too. And as for those greasy little marks, new Mr. Muscle Multi-Surface Polish. It cleans clean through just about everything, because Mr. Muscle loves the jobs you hate.
Lan karı! Lan! Eyvah! Geldi geri zekalı! Lan ben nerede yemek yiyeceğim lan? Yıkasana lan! Keşke Mr. burada olsa! Gel burada ya Mr. Haydar! Mr. Haydar! Ben de döveyim! Mr. Haydar! Karı seni döverim! Buradaki yanları çalsana! Yardımcım! Açılmıyor, teyze açsana! Ne kadar güçlüyüm görüyorsun değil mi? Sil! Beni sil! Buradaki görevim bitti!